everyone, welcome to Kundalini Yoga. It is the week of energy and we are already on day 3. And today's kriya is called Nervous System Overhaul. So in Kundalini Yoga, we're also working on strengthening our nervous system. In the class or in the kriya that we'll be doing today, we are doing different exercises. So we're doing a lot of movement meditation and meditation as well, and using pranayama, which is the control of prana, life force energy. And this practice helps us strengthen the nervous system, and it puts you through some different discomforts and different stresses for sure. So at times you're challenged in a set, of course, and you want to try to push through some of that discomfort. You bring yourself to your breath, or you bring yourself to your eye focus. If they're closed down, focus at the third eye. And with regular practice, you can calm your thoughts, you can calm your mind with the breathing, and by pushing yourself through some of that discomfort and learning how to recognize thoughts that come up and learning to become more aware, more self-aware, then your practice carries over to your daily life outside of your practice as well. And hopefully you are noticing that if you're practicing regularly. So nervous system overhaul today. Let's do this. We've got a lot of breath of fire. So let's just bring ourselves into easy pose. Closing the eyes down, focusing at the third eye. Bringing yourself to your mat. Bringing yourself to be fully present here and now. Grounding yourself down onto your mat or cushion. Spine is straight, shoulders relaxed. Hands resting in Gyan Mudra. Neck locked by gently tucking the chin to elongate the neck. Breathing in and out through the nose. Connecting to your breath. Breathing in prana, life force energy. Feeling the flow of the air you're breathing in and the flow of the air as you're breathing out. Just noticing the breath. And bring the hands together into prayer pose, starting to rub the palms briskly together. And gently pulling them apart 4 to 6 inches. Noticing energy, sensations between the palms. And gently moving the palms in and out. Noticing any sensations there between the palms. And bring them together again into prayer pose at heart center. Thumbs are pushed gently into the sternum. Tuning in with the audio mantra, Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. I bow to the infinite, subtle divine wisdom, the divine teacher within. Take a deep inhale. Exhale completely. Inhale to tune in. Om Namo Inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale, Slowly releasing the hands to resting Gyan Mudra. Breathing in and out through the nose. Staying focused inward. Connect to the peace within, calmness within. Gently opening the eyes again. And in the kriya set, so we will be doing a lot of the breath of fire and remembering breath of fire powered from the navel center. As you exhale, pulling in at the navel center, and as you inhale, it relaxes, keeping the chest relaxed as well. Let's just practice breath of fire together before we get into the kriya set. Hands resting in Gyan Mudra. The breath is very powerful, in and out through the nose. Take a deep inhale and begin breath of fire. Inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale. Breathing in and out through the nose. And in the practice with the kriya, doing breath of fire the best you can, but if you are on your moon cycle or that time of the month for any women joining, or if you're pregnant or have high blood pressure, instead of doing breath of fire, please just do relaxed breathing. Breathe in and out through the nose instead, so that you don't create too much abdominal pressure there. And let's begin. And get rid of your cushion. We will be actually laying down for most of these exercises. So coming to rest gently on the back. And we're just going to be doing long, deep breathing here. So coming to rest, the palms facing up, melting down, fully inhaling and fully exhaling. Eyes are closed down, focused at the third eye. Connecting to your breath. Full inhales and exhales. Breathing in prana and exhaling apana, elimination force. And take a deep inhale, suspend the breath in. And exhale. Good job. The calm before the storm. Just kidding. It'll be a really good set, and you'll feel that power rising within you, nervous system overhaul. And for the next exercise, we'll be bringing the legs up to about 90 degrees. Try to keep the toes pointed here. With breath of fire, so if you need any back support, please bring your hands to support the lower back in this position. If not, they are resting at the sides. And here we're just crisscrossing the legs. So with the breath of fire. Crisscrossing the legs, we will be here for 1.5 minutes. Please begin. Powering the movement with the breath. Breath of fire, powering from the navel center and crisscrossing the legs, alternating which one is in front. Eyes are closed, focus at the third eye. Doing awesome, stay strong here. Beautiful job. Doing your best to keep going. If you ever need to take a break, please do so and come back in when you're ready. Stay with your breath, you've got this. 15 seconds. Engage the navel center, support the low back, almost there. And inhale, suspend the breath in, apply root lock, tightening in the root chakra, sacral plexus, lower abdomen, push the energy all the way up. And exhale, release the lock, slowly lower the legs down. Resting for a moment on the back. And breathing in and out through the nose. Connecting inward, being with your experience. Beautiful, opening the eyes again. Remaining on the backs, on the back for alternating leg lifts with breath of fire. So we'll be bringing the left leg up to 90 degrees and then down, and then the right leg coming up with the breath of fire. Doing the best you can. Again, if you need back support, please bring the hands there. If you're unable to go all the way up like that, you can bring a leg here and then back down, here and then back down. But if you're able, bring it up to 90. And we'll be here for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, ready? Close the eyes down. You've got this. Begin. Do the best you can. Try to keep the toes pointed. You're doing awesome. Engage the navel center with the breath. Immersing into the movement and your breath. Doing your best to keep the knees straight as well, toes pointed. Less than 2 minutes to go. You're doing awesome. Keep up here. Stay with your breath. Powerful breath of fire. You got this. Staying relaxed in the face. Calming the mind with the breath. With the eye focus at the third eye. Smile here. You can do it. Less than 1 minute to go. Beautiful. Stay strong. Almost there, 30 seconds. Almost there, keep going. Strengthening your nervous system here, you got this. You can do it. Inhale, suspend the breath in, and apply root lock, push the energy all the way up to the crown chakra. Exhale, release the lock slowly, lower the legs down. Taking a moment to connect inward, be with your experience. Nice relaxed breathing in and out through the nose. Notice any sensations within. And raising both legs up again to 90 degrees. Just here for 30 seconds, repeating that crisscross exercise with the breath of fire. And begin. Just 30 seconds, stay strong. Almost there. Stay with your breath. Inhale, suspend the breath in. Exhale. Slowly lower the leg. Great work. Stay inward here. Noticing your experience. Breathing in and out through the nose. You're doing awesome. Now, we will do leg lifts. So bringing both legs up to 90 degrees, toes pointed, and then coming all the way down with both and then back up with breath of fire. If you can't go all the way up that way, you can also just do partial movement. Listen to your body, do the best you can. And if you need that back support, please do bring the hands to the low back as well. And we are here for 3 minutes together with breath of fire. Let's do this. You've got this. And legs up to 90 with breath of fire and begin. Eyes are closed. Focus on the third eye. Arms are at the side if you're able with the palms down. Do the best you can. You're doing awesome. Keep those knees straight. Try to keep the toes pointed. Bringing the heels all the way down to the ground. Nervous system overhaul. Remember, we're challenging ourselves and you can do it. This will make you stronger. Putting yourself through some of this discomfort now, pushing yourself now, is going to carry over and help you in your day-to-day living, outside of practice. Stay with the breath of fire, powering at the navel center. Stay nice and relaxed in the face here. You can do it. Feel that navel center working. Feel the energy building within you. And calming the mind, saying you can do it. less than a minute. Stay strong. Power through, you can do it. "30 seconds. Almost there, 15. Got this. Power through. Inhale, lift the legs up, suspend the breath in. Apply no bond to root lock, push the energy up, up, up. Exhale, release the lock. Slowly lower down. Breathing in and out through the nose. And take a moment to rest here, to focus inward, calming the breath. Completely resting here for a minute. Opening the eyes again. You're doing awesome. You're almost there. 3 parts left to the kriya. And I think the hardest part is really over. Good job. And now bring the legs up to 90 again. Back to the crisscross movement. So breathing with breath of fire. Just 30 seconds here. Hopefully you began. Eyes are closed down, focus on the third eye. Stay with the breath of fire. Toes pointed, beautiful job. Inhale, suspend the breath in. Exhale, slowly lower the leg. Breathing in now through your nose. And noticing any sensations within. Connect to your experience. Slowly opening the eyes. Almost there. Stay strong. Got this. We are overhauling the nervous system. We are telling our ego to move aside, and then we've got this. We can do it. For the next one, an interesting one. Legs come up to 90 again. So both legs up to 90. Toes pointed. We're going to grab around the calves. And in the picture, they have this perfect pike position where the torso is up here. So if you can do that, amazing. I don't have that flexibility. So if you're able to come all the way up, so here, and then they're bringing the torso down to rest again, and then back up and down with the breath of fire. So do the best that you can with this. We are here for 2.5 minutes, and we will begin down here, grabbing onto the calves, and begin with breath of fire. Close the eyes down, focusing at the third eye. Do the best you can, you're doing awesome. If you ever need to take a rest, please listen to your body, do so. You can always visualize yourself doing the exercise, and then come back in when you're ready.
Really powering the navel center. Relax the mind with the breath. And the eyes focus on the third eye. Beautiful job. Less than 90 seconds to go. Keep those toes pointed. Beautiful pike position. And smiling, you've got this. Keep those knees straight if you're able. Less than 45 seconds. Stay strong, you got this. Less than 20 seconds. Almost there. And inhale, suspend the breath in. Apply mobile to root lock. Exhale, release. Release the lock slowly. Bring the arms down. Bring the legs to rest for a moment. And breathing in and out through the nose. Feels good after to just let go. Notice your experience from the exercise. Feeling that strength, that power within, knowing that you can push yourself to get through things, to get through different discomforts, different stresses. You can calm your mind during those times, and you're able to get through the peaceful mind. And last part here before deep relaxation, bringing the legs up. Just had to check the time so that we're just only here for 10 seconds. Crisscross with the breath of fire. And inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale, slowly lower. Rest here completely. Bring the palms so they're facing up to receive. You're awesome. You did full time for that kriya today. This is a time for deep relaxation, time to absorb all of the wonderful effects from the kriya. Completely relaxing the body down, relaxing the toes, relax the feet and the ankles, relaxing the shins and the calves. Relax your knees, relax the thighs at the front and the back, relaxing the buttocks and the pelvis, relaxing your fingers, thumbs, palms, the back of the hands. Relax your forearms, elbows, upper arms, and shoulders. Relax the low back, the mid and upper back. Completely melt down. Relax the stomach and the chest. Relax your neck, your chin and cheeks, nose, mouth, ears, and eyes. Relax your forehead, the top of your head, and the back of your head. Completely let go. Continuing to breathe in and out through your nose. And when other thoughts drift in, gently push them aside for now. Let yourself completely relax. You deserve this time. The mind is like a beautiful blue sky, a nice sunny day, so vast. And thoughts will come into our minds sometimes out of the blue, and that's okay. They're like a cloud drifting in the sky. And the sky is so vast with so much capacity, which is the mind. If you imagine those thoughts just like a cloud, you can acknowledge it and gently let it blow by, let it drift by. And gently starting to wiggle the toes and the fingers, and rotating the wrists and the ankles. Switching direction. Reaching the arms up overhead, and together, take a deep inhale, suspend the breath in, point the toes and stretch all the way through the body. Exhale, take another deep inhale, suspend the breath, point the toes, stretch, stretch. And exhale, release the arms down. Bring the right knee in towards the chest, pull over to the left side of the body, reaching the right arm over to the side, looking over the right shoulder for cat stretch. Feel that nice stretch in your spine. Gently coming back to center, extending the right leg out, bringing the left leg up, pulling over to the right, looking over the left shoulder with the left arm extended. Might hear some cracks in your back. Coming back up to center, bringing both knees up and starting to rub the palms and the soles of the feet together, stimulating 72,000 nadis, energy channels in the body. Bringing the knees in towards the chest, gently rock left to right. And then rocking a few times front to back. Bring yourself all the way up into easy pose. Beautiful job today. Nervous system overhaul. You push yourself through that kriya set. It was very challenging and you did full time. So awesome. And just feeling now, hopefully you feel a state of peace and calmness. You're feeling very relaxed. Carry that with you for the rest of the day or the night ahead. Closing the eyes down, focusing at the third eye, bring the palms together, starting to rub the palms briskly together. And then resting again in prayer pose at heart center. Thumbs push gently into the sternum, and we'll close with the long time sun. First time, sing for yourself. The second time, sing it for someone you think may need it. Sing it for all others and for the whole universe. And feel that love that you're sending out. Take a deep inhale. Exhale completely. Inhale for long time sun. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on, guide your way on, guide your way on. Nam. May you continue to connect to your infinite self, to find peace within, and to connect to your inner wisdom. And may you continue to grow stronger, both physically, I should say, also physically, mentally, and spiritually. Thank you so much for joining me for day 3. This was the Nervous System Overhaul during the week of energy, and I look forward to sharing the rest of the week with you. Thanks so much, Satnam. Much love. See you soon.